Alright, Russ and Fred, I guess I'll just send this to you guys, show you what I'm trying to figure out. Trying to backtrack from the serial connector, because I've looked up online what is supposed to be in those different holes in the serial connector, and then from the schematic it says what they're supposed to be. So I was trying to use reason to figure it out. So first thing I did, I looked up online how a serial connector, how they're numbered, and let me show you what I found. Okay. So in this case, looking into the back of the serial number, top right hand corner would be 9, 8, 7, 6 across the top, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 across the bottom. So the black wire is in 1, there's a white wire in number 2, a green wire in number 3, and then in the row that only has 4 holes, there's a red in spot number 7 and a white in spot number 8. Okay, so that's what we got. Then I looked up on, here, this is online, just finding what's supposed to be what according to a 9-pin serial connector. And let me see, over here I had to look up a couple definitions because I didn't know what that meant. But I found all the definitions, and then I made this chart up here. And Russ, you may have already figured all this out, so I mean, if this is the answer, just tell me and I'll go with it. But I'm trying to figure it out and make sure I do it right. But okay, according to the schematic, this is the number they assign on the schematic. This is the definition. So 5 is RTS, 4 is SGND, 3 TD, 2 DTR, number 1 is CTS. So I looked up clear to send, data terminal ready, transmit data, signal ground, request to send. So that's what all 5 of those wires are supposed to be. Then I looked in the definition I'd found online about the about what a serial connector, how it's supposed to be wired, and a couple of them happily made sense. Like RTS is supposed to be in serial pin number 7, so that is the red wire. That's looking good. Down in the middle there, 3 TD transmit data, that's supposed to be in the number 3 spot, green, that's looking good. Number 8 serial pin hole is supposed to have the CTS, clear to send, white wire, so that's looking good. Those things all make sense. The ones that I circled right here don't make sense to me. So according to the schematic, signal ground is number 4 on the jumper, and I don't know what serial pin it should be. I don't know what color signal ground is. I don't know what serial pin is, but looking at like the internet's definition of signal ground, that should be in spot number 5. Same problem for the data transmission ready. According to the internet's definition of serial pins, that should be in spot number 4. So I don't know what color it is or what. There's nothing in 4 or 5. Anyway, the existing, like I said, these are your notes, Russ. Maybe the answer is there. I don't know. But to recap, we have black in 1, white in 2, green in 3, red in 7, and white in 8. So I'm confused. Tried to figure it out, but I can't tell what should be what. These, 3 of these make sense to me, but the signal ground and the DTR, that don't make any sense. So in other words, I know where the red and the green and one of the whites go. I don't know where one of the other whites and the black one go. Alright, sorry about the long-winded explanation, but I wanted to show you I was trying to solve the riddle. Please help me out. Thanks. Bye.